So, network marketing is a pyramid scheme, right? I am Isabel, and let me ask one of the most powerful women in network marketing what she think about that.
Hi everyone, my name is Stefania Logatto, and today we were just chatting. You know, you're here in Dubai now. Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm very happy, and we were just discussing about how so many people, even if you are in 2021, still think that network marketing is a pyramid scheme, and I'm shocked. I'm shocked because if you still think that, it means that you haven't read all the books around network marketing and you haven't looked into really what network marketing is. Because think about it, it's a business that is more than $200 billion revenue a year, and it's open in more than 250 countries in the world. So it's insane you still believe that. But I always say, look, if you design a compensation plan in network marketing, some of our compensation plan might look like you have a person that finds two people and tell another person that tell another person. So if you draw it, it might look like a pyramid. But let me now draw Daimler Chrysler, the company. You have a CEO, you have a vice president, you have a general manager, you have a secretary, and you have a cleaning woman. Now, in that case, really the CEO is the one that makes most of the money. And if the vice president wants to become a CEO, he either has to get fired, die, or go into pension. How do you call it? Into when you get old. Into, sorry, I'm Italian, so my English. But like retire in retirement. Retirement. And that is, for me, for a cleaning woman to one day become a CEO is very, very unlikely, and it's very, very hard because you have to go up the ladder. Now, in network marketing, you can be the last person to enroll. I mean, look at you. You enrolled only 3 months ago, and you already have a great team, already a big team, and I'm sure that there are people on top of you that do not make the money that you make. I enrolled in my company 6 years ago. The company is 11 years old, and I'm #1 woman in Europe and in the Middle East, in Africa. So, but all the women that enrolled before me, they still love me, but I still, because I work better, I found better people, I make more money than them and I have more results than them. So the reason why I'm telling you this is because if you still believe that we are a pyramid scheme, I want you to really look at all the success stories and how many people are changing their lives in network marketing. Of course, you're gonna know some networkers that failed, but how many lawyers do you know that never practice law? Or how many real estate agents do you know that in the States 99% of the real estate agents never sell one home, but everybody recognizes that business as a great business, right? And it can be a great business, but in network marketing, no. In network marketing, you know a bunch of people that failed. Oh, it doesn't work, only the people on the top make the money. It's such a lie. Only the type of people that work and find leaders and create leaders and help people to duplicate will make the money. So to me, network marketing is the business, not of the future, but of today. And actually you can, what I love it, you can work from home. And today the most Googled thing in the world is working from home. And we've been working from home. I've been working from home for 8 years. I was a single mom, broke, started 8 years ago, 1.5 years, no results. Kept on working, kept on not giving up, also because I didn't have better options. And today I have a team with more than 1 million people in my team in 128 countries. Yes, it's possible, and network marketing is an incredible profession, helping and impacting lives. And what is your experience? I know you've been doing this for 3 months, but what is the thing you like the most about network marketing?
I like the most when I connect with new people. If I was not in network marketing, I should never been here.
Yes. You are in Dubai now.
Yeah. After 3 months, Michelle asked me, should you come? I said yes. I always said yes because I want to grow in life.
Yes.
I want to meet new people, successful people, because I know when I grow, it will be good for me, for my family, for my children, for everything. So that is the next point I want to ask you. I hear a lot, I have no time.
Yes.
So I have 2 kids also, and you told 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago, my children see what I'm doing. So this is in fact the thing I have.
Example,
also,
lead by example.
Lead by example. So I work a lot, and they are a lot alone, not alone, but I am in the house, but I'm working. Did you have that problem too?
Yes, of course, and it is true that it's going to be a moment in your life that if you are working, in my case I had another business, then I had 3 small kids, and you know, I didn't have time to do everything perfect in the house and make the best food, make the best cleaning. But I knew that I was gonna lead by example and show my kids what was the true sacrifice to pay to then change your life. And today, you know, when I was just a mom, because before I got divorced I was just a mom, my kids took everything for granted. They were not appreciating things, they were spoiled, and when they saw me fighting for my dreams, they learned that. So about the time management, it is all a question of dedicating a few hours a day. You don't have to do network marketing all day if you can't, but instead of watching Netflix, do something to change your life. You know, instead of being on social media looking at other people's lives that most of the times are just showing off and it's not even truth, change something with your life, because at the end of the day, it's you living in this body and it's you living this life, and you need to make the best out of it. So yeah, and you can find time if you want to, if you really want to.
We have 24 hours,
yes,
and most of the people are at home,
yes,
9 to 5, and then they I know it is difficult to time management, but you have to do it. You have to plan it,
yes,
to do it. And the next thing I hear a lot is I have no money. So we are in a situation now, people have no money, yes, or less money, lost their jobs. You told me you didn't have anything. How did you enroll this business?
So when I started, I had no money, and I remember though that I wanted to start with a package that allowed me to know all the products. I couldn't afford all the products, so I sold most of them, but then I told my friends, can you please give me back the package so I can do videos with it and try it. And meantime, I was gonna try every product for myself, because I could never promote and sell something that I don't believe in or that I didn't know. But I remember that I found a way to find money to really start the right way, because I thought if I keep on doing what I'm doing, I'm never going to change my life, and I want to change my life.
Yeah.
And so to me, it's just an excuse.
Yeah.
It's just an excuse.
All the 3 of them
yes,
are excuses.
Yes.
So can you tell something to the people who are watching, why they should start this business?
Yes.
What is important to know, you know?
So what I want you to know is that the beauty of network marketing is a profession that you can do really in your own time. So you can work where you want, with whom you want, and where you want. So it's not something that you need to do right away full time and give up your job. You can start it parallel with something else, unless maybe you're a mom and you can do it immediately full time. But and then really wait and see until your team will start duplicate. Obviously you need to work and you need to pay the price to make it work, but then really you will see this duplication. You will see the amazing world of passive income once time goes by, and your people will start to duplicate and work and find other leaders and help leaders. And this is something really that I want to tell all of you. You need to look into it and really make a decision to do it, because it's changing lives all over the world every day. Every day. So come and join us and call this incredible woman. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.